Okay, understanding statistics tutorial will break this down for you. Hopefully make it a little bit easier to understand. All right, let's go through here. So statistics is just like surveying people. Like this example, the company randomly surveyed 10 people shopping at the hardware store, learn how to satisfy the customers were with the product. So they just go around asking questions, surveying, type of observational study that requires a group of people to respond to a set of questions. All right. And then statistics, so basically just getting to the bottom of it. Process of making inferences about the population parameters based on a random sample. So you're picking a sample population and then you're making an inference, which is like a conclusion based on your sample population. Concept, and now let's see, descriptive statistics, collecting data, measuring, presenting data from a random sample of the population. The mean is like the middle number or the sum of all the values divided by the total set. So typically it's like kind of the middle-ish number. It's kind of similar to the median. Inferential is statistics, a process of making inferences about the population parameters based on the data collected from a random sample population. Okay, let's go to the next part. Population, okay. Overall, let's see, group in which the data is sampled. So here's the whole population of whatever this is, and then the sample is just like a random selection of a group of people. The subset, okay, the population, subset of the population that's analyzed is the sample. So say there's 1,000 people, they surveyed 300 people, something like that. Point estimation, the process using statistics to make inferences about the population parameters. Sample statistics, a measurement of a sample characteristic, population parameters here, and then a measurement of population characteristic. Now this will let you do that on your own. You just give a couple examples. Okay, sample mean. Sample proportion. All right, let's go. Oops, we'll skip this part. Random sampling. Randomization. Process of choosing a random sample in which each member of the population has equal probability of being selected. So just randomly selecting somebody, basically. Bias. A problem that presents itself when the sample selected to analyze fails to truly represent the population. So unbiased would be like important because it means the sample is representative of the whole population type thing. How to avoid bias? Okay, many ways to avoid bias, making sure that you're not selecting people of a certain group or gender or something like that, making sure that your sample is even and spread out so you're getting like all different types of opinions, not just one opinion. Okay, unless you do the question on your own, this gives us some more information. Here's population, is sampling is just a small portion. Okay, sample size. It just shows an example of sample size. Hopefully that clears it up a little bit and gives you a little bit better understanding.